morning students, welcome to our channel Math Study. Today we are going to take questions of trigonometric ratios of certain angles. So let's begin. देखिए बच्चों, ये देखा गया है कि जब भी वीडियो व्हाट्सएप पे या फेसबुक पेज पे या इंस्टाग्राम पर शेयर होता है तभी वो वीडियो बच्चों को मिल रहा है। ओके, इसका मतलब है बच्चों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर आप सब्सक्राइबर है तो वीडियो डालने के कुछ सेकंड बाद ही आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाता है कि वीडियो हैज़ बीन अपलोडेड। ओके, मैंने बीच में 2 वीडियो ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के क्वेश्चंस का वीडियो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे और फेसबुक के जो पेज है हमारा मैथ स्टडी का उस पर पोस्ट किया ही नहीं, तो उसको व्यूज़ कम आए, यानी बच्चों ने उसको देखा नहीं यानी उनको पता ही नहीं कि ऐसा कोई वीडियो पोस्ट हुआ है। इसका मतलब है कि वो दे आर नॉट द सब्सक्राइबर्स। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट देम टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, हिट दैट बेल आइकॉन so that you are going to get the notifications regularly. Okay, so let's begin the today's lecture. This is our question number 1. Now what we have to do is this is a trigonometric expression. We have to put the values from the table and we have to solve it. Now from the table we have sin 60. What was the value of sin 60? It is root 3 by 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 was also root 3 by 2 plus sin 30. Sin 30 1 by 2 into cos 60. It is again 1 by 2. So multiply them. Root 3 into root 3. 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 into 1. 1. 2 2s are 4. So they have the same denominator. 3 plus 1. 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Solved. So easy it is. This is the solution of question number 1. Okay, write down that. Okay students, this is our question number 2. Now we have 2 tan 45. Tan 45 is 1, so tan square 45 will be 1 square. Cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 its square in this way, minus sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin square 60 root 3 by 2 whole bracket square. 1 square is 1. 1 into 2 2 plus root 3 by 2. No need to solve it, but if you solve them it will be 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. They'll get cancelled and your answer is only 2. So in this way you got the solution 2. Okay, this is the solution. This is a short solution of question number 2. This is our question number 3. Now again the procedure is same. We have to put the values. Cos 45. What was cos 45? Cos 45 was 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 upon sec 30. Now sec is the inverse of cos. You have to remember it in this way. Sec is the inverse of cos. So cos 30 was root 3 by 2. So the inverse of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. So here 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. Now cosec is the inverse of sine. Sin 30 was 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, its inverse will be 2 by 1. So here it is only 2. 2 by 1 means 2. Okay, this is your second step. Then 1 upon root 2 in this way upon 2 by 1. Okay, take the cross multiplication. 1 into 2 2, root 3 into 2 2 root 3 upon root 3 into 1 root 3. So in this way it happened. Now is equals to 1 upon this root 2 comes to denominator, so it will be root 2 in bracket 2 plus 2 root 3. 2 plus 2 root 3 in this way. And since this root 3 is the denominator of the denominator, this root 3 is the denominator of denominator. यह रूट 3 डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर होने की वजह से वो बन जाएगा न्यूमरेटर. सो इट विल गो टू न्यूमरेटर position. This root 2 comes here, this root 3 goes to denominator, and here it was 1, so 1 into root 3 becomes root 3 in this way. Now we will take a simple step here. Root 3 upon 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 into root 3, root 6. 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Now this is the denominator and we have to rationalize the denominator. How? See, root 3, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 multiplied by, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by its rationalizing factor, so the sign will be changed. 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay, now root 3 into this whole thing, root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, and upon, what will be the result of denominator? A plus b, a minus b gives you a square minus b square, so it will be 2 root 2 square minus 2 root 6 square. Now 2 root 3 into root 2, root 6 minus 2 root 3 into root 6, root 18. 6 3s are 18. 2 square is 4, root 2 square is 2, minus 2 square is 4, root 6 square is, root 6 square is 6, in this way. Then 2 root 6, 2 root 6 minus 2 into 18 means 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18. Then 4 2s are 8, 4 6s are 24. Here it is. Then 2, this 2 and this 2 take common, so here what remains? Root 6 minus, here root 9 into 2, 9 will come to outside, it becomes 3, and here only 2 remains. Okay, so in this way these 2 comes as a common number, upon 8 minus 24 minus 16. Okay, so root 6 minus 3 root 2 upon 2 8s are 16. This may be the answer. Or if you want to match your answer with book, or if you simply want to transform your answer, you may do it in this way also. Take this minus sign common, 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon minus 8. So minus minus will get cancelled and your answer will be 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. Minus into root 3 minus root 3, minus into minus plus. This is how we take the minus sign common. So in this way the question ends here. A slightly different question but important from the exam point of view. Okay, copy down this solution. This is our next question. Here we have to put the values. See, sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1 cosec 60. Now sin 60 was root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 will be 2 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3 upon sec 30. Sec 30 will be, sec 30 is the inverse of 2 by root 3. For cos 60, 1 by 2, cot 45 plus 1. Okay, so sin 30, yes, the question is correct. Okay, now we will further proceed. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, so the answer of these two terms is 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. Okay, now 2 by root 3, answer of these two, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Then cross multiply, 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4, this into this upon 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. I am writing it in horizontal way. Again, see, 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 into 3, 3 root 3. This into this upon root 3 into 2, 2 root 3. Now you can cancel them, and what remains is 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 4 plus 3 root 3. This remains. Okay. Now, as we have done in the previous question also, what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator. We have to multiply both by rationalizing factor. Here it is 4 plus 3 root 3. So 4 minus 3 root 3. 4 minus 3 root 3. Okay. Now simply multiply the upper and lower terms. What will happen? See. 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3 upon a plus b into a minus b gives you a square minus b square. So 4 square minus 3 root 3 square. Now first into first, first into second, second into first, second into second. How? See, 3 root 3 into 4, 4 3s are 12. It will be 12 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. See, 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Okay. Now first into first, first into second happen. Second into first, 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus plus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 into root 3, 12 root 3. In this way, 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9. Root 3 square is 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are here also, it is 27. Okay. Now 12 root 3, 12 root 3, you got 24 root 3 minus 27 minus 16 gives you minus 43. Then 16 minus 27, it will be minus 11. In this way, this is also your answer. Now, as we have done in the last question also, you may take out the minus sign common. How? So minus, this minus, so it will be 43 minus 24 root 3 upon minus 11. Minus minus will get cancelled, and your answer will be 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. Okay. So this is how we take the minus sign common, and this is your answer. Okay. Now in the next question, you have to find the value of this expression. Okay. So before solving the question, the values of these trigonometric terms must be in your mind. Okay. For example, we are saying that 5 into cos square 60. Now cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus 4 into sec 30. Now sec 30 is the inverse of cos 30. Cos 30 was root 3 by 2. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 square minus tan square 45. Tan 45 was 1. So tan square 45 will be 1 square upon these values. Sin square 60, 1 by 2 square cos square sin square 30, 1 by 2 square cos square 30 root 3 by 2 square. Okay, now simply solve it. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 5 will be 5 by 4 plus 4 into 2 square is 4 upon root 3 square is 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 2 is, its square will be 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4. In this way it happened. Then 5 by 4 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 by 3 minus 1 upon 4 4 common, 3 plus 1 4, it will be 4 by 4. Now 5 by 4 plus 3 ones are 3, 16 minus 3 is 13, 3 ones are 3, 16 minus 3 is 13 upon 3 upon 4 by 4 is 1, no need to write down, just cross them. 5 3s are 15, 13 4s are 52, 4 3s are 12, so you got 67 by 12. This is your solution. See, initially शुरुआत में कितना बड़ा दिखता है, okay, but if you substitute the values properly, if you properly solve the question by using the rules of addition of ratios properly, then you are going to get, surely you are going to get a correct answer. Okay, so in this way, these are the questions of trigonometric ratios of particular angles. What are those particular angles? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. If you see the questions, जितने भी क्वेश्चंस मैंने सॉल्व किए, उन क्वेश्चंस में आप देखेंगे ये जो एंगल्स आए हुए हैं 60, 30, 45, दे आर आइदर 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, इसके अलावा कुछ भी आया नहीं, कुछ भी अलग एंगल्स आए नहीं, बिकॉज इन दिस लेवल, at this level, SSC level, what we have to study is, we have to study only this type of ratios. Okay, so in this way we have done the questions. Okay, many students have not subscribed to our channel. I request them to subscribe the channel so that whenever the new video or new video lecture is uploaded, they will get the notification. Okay, so here we will stop now. Thank you.